These might look like just simple chains, but in fact they are the foundation of crochet and the most important stitches, because without them the rest of the stitches became meaningless. Today I'm going to teach you two types of chains. The first type, which is the regular chain, is used for oval base, clothes, hats, dolls, and many other things. So let's learn it together. To start using the tutorial I taught you before, we find the right hook for our yarn. Now we hold the free end of the yarn in our right hand. If you're left-handed, do these steps the opposite way. The side that is attached to the yarn ball goes in our left hand. We place the yarn on the hook and make it loop on it. Pay attention that the free end of the yarn must pass over the non-free end of create this loop, otherwise your chain won't form. So we place the free yarn over the non-free end, insert the hook between them, and now a loop is formed. We yarn over and pull it throughout the loop. Then pull the free end of the yarn and the loop tightens. We warp the non-free end of the yarn around the index finger of our other hand, and with the other fingers of that hand we hold the knot we made. Now with the hook we grab the yarn and pull it throughout the loop and the hook. This is called making a chain. Then we repeat it again. We yarn over with the hook and pull it throughout the loop on the hook, creating one chain. We keep making chains like this until we reach the number we want. But keep in mind that if you need 10 chains, you should make 11, because you can work into the last chain and you should start crocheting from the second chain. Great, now we learned the basic chain. Let's move on to the advanced chain. The difference between the advanced chain and the regular chain is that it is stronger and bulkier, and you can see the stitches on all four sides. These V-shaped stitches are why the advanced chain is usually used for clothes, hats, and similar items, and it is not used for doll making, base work, and similar projects. The steps for making the starting knot are exactly the same as the regular chain, but the difference is that you need to leave a much longer free end of the yarn. After you make the knot, bring the free end of the yarn over the hook so that two loops are created on your hook. Then yarn over and, just like before, pull throughout both loops to turn them into one. Keep repeating this until the end, and this way your chain turns into an advanced chain. Great, we learned how to make chains. In the next videos, I'll teach you all the crochet stitches the same way. Don't forget to like and subscribe.